Hi everyone, I'm back again with something weird. If you want to say wonderfully weird, you're most welcome. If you just want to say weird, that too is most welcome. This time it is a flower pot that I've made out of all waste materials. Yes, I believe in using waste materials because I do not consider them to be waste materials. Waste material is something which we consider no longer useful. But I consider them useful enough to make them into something worth the while. And this time it is a flower pot. It is made of thrown away PET bottles and also packaging materials which usually we receive whenever we receive a courier package. And you will see as I'm moving this flower pot around for your view. You can see that this flower pot has no wireframe or no props, and I have not used any mold to make this particular flower pot. And it is completely lightweight. And now, to show that it is lightweight, I will show you how much it weighs. And there it is. You can see how much it weighs. It is lightweight with all the soil, fertilizer, coco pit that has gone into the flower pot along with the snake plant. And right beside it is a table lamp, which again I have made with what we call as waste material. The waste material here is a 7-Up PET bottle, and then this platform is of thermocol sheet, which was part of a packaging that material that I received in a courier parcel. And at the same time you can also see these props are of bottles, discarded bottles, medicine bottles. I have tried to give it a look and feel of an aquarium, but of course I did not paint any fish or any water plant or water weeds on the face of these PET bottle pieces. So I would like to receive your honest and candid views, observations, critics in form of comment on this post. Thank you for your patience in viewing this entire post. Thank you once again. And I wish you a very happy weekend and a very happy 2022.